Alright guys, so we are beginning the class. Today is March 6th. So we are on the anti-cancer class. So because we do a lot of the study and then see what is going on. Alright, is our computer ready yet?
We are ready. We have 14 online.
14 online. So it's the Facebook working.
Yes, we have 3 so far.
3 people so far so good. So because today we are going to do the new study to remove the tumor. So see what happened. So a lot of the people who use the machine lately, they have a good result. So the machine we are using called the tornado. Or in other words, it's called the
Gravitphoton.
No,
Gravitphoton.
no, that is
Gravitphoton.
Horseshoe.
Lashu
Horseshoe. The horseshoe that is.
Sounds more
The
Chinese.
horseshoe is that is Greek. Yeah, not Chinese. So it's that is our horseshoe. So the horseshoe so far we are beginning on the February 23rd. We are beginning. So far we have the excellent result. So the first one is Christina. So already more than 12 days, no pain at all. So that is working on we are working on the breast cancer split to liver, bone, and brain. And no painkiller, no chemo, no radiation, no surgery, no advisor, no M&M either. So this means there are no excuse. So they kind of machine, what we call this kind of tornado.
Gravitphoton.
This is called the
Gravitphoton.
So the gravitphoton, that is how the gravitphoton is working on your body. But the gravitphoton, but it's still not enough. So because gravitphoton, in fact, another word is on the anti-gravity. But that is on the 5th dimension. So how can we go to the 5th dimension with the machine already? They say your guy must be crazy. So, but it's all of the true story. But we on the 5th dimension, or they call the 5th force also, the number 5 force. So that is on the science studying. So we are follow the science studying. So we just try to find out some people have some kind of tumor. So see what they feel. But on this kind of machine, then this kind of machine we are called Gravitphoton machine. So far, still nobody in the whole world history, nobody used a kind of gravitphoton, because gravitphoton they found out in 1970, in the 70s. So I don't know, you're talking to MIT, they don't know what you're talking either. So how can they have a 5th dimension? So you can go to the Wikipedia
Yes.
to find out what is gravitphoton, what is the meaning on the science study. So I hope that people go home and do the homework. But on this studying, so just like in our theory, it's like the neutron star and meet the black hole. So a lot of the people say, when the neutron star meet the black hole, what is going on? So in fact, the tumor is a high density. Then in our Saturn and neutron star, that is
High density.
high density. But another is low density, is a black hole. So one is a move, one is not move. So that's the 2 different objects, 2 different directions. So then a lot of scientists, they think if the black hole meet the neutron star, what is going on? So I think very easy to understand is a neutrons. So in the people have a tumor in the body is a high density. So we can put it high density similar like the neutron star. So if we put our black hole going in, see what is going on. So, and in our machine, that is a single one. So that is the theory of this machine is Gravitphoton theory. So the Gravitphoton theory, then they can neutralize the tumor, let the tumor disappear. So we want the people to try. So you want to try?
Yes.
Just put it over there. So we are just yeah. Okay.
Archie's here.
Not later. We can do more people. Oh, you have one already. So
On the floor?
so this is
The floor is good. Okay, yeah.
don't put it in your pocket. Because you hold me, you know. I'm worried about it. So, but that is still not enough because this is we have their own lens for observation effect. But this kind of observation effect, we say, still not enough. So you sneaky put it on, but I can do another video original in the beginning. This is observation effect. So we are putting the observation effect here, then let it entangle again. So when you entangle, then nothing is a real miss. So we are take 1 minute, see what is going on. So watch the clock.
Well, I can feel the focus.
Mhm.
Your face is so red. Yours too, Dee.
No suggestion power.
Audrey was too.
No, don't talk. Studying is no talk.
Exactly.
Because they can affect by the suggestion
You're
power.
right. You're
Okay?
right, you're right.
Yeah, this is a science. Okay, 1 minute. All right, Paul, how you feel on this, sir? Because you're here for a while.
Feeling good.
No,
Good.
physical feeling, psychological feeling, not just say good. Good is it, not include the physical, only psychological.
Physical feeling is like I could almost feel my heartbeat.
Something moving.
Very, very slow repetition of a beat. I don't know if it's my heartbeat, and I feel
Whatever.
and I feel warm.
Warm is a physical feeling. Warm, how you feel on that day?
I feel warm. I feel a lot of vibration going on inside. And I had that nerve pain on this side when I came in. Now it's gone.
The pain in here on the right side, you have a sarcoma, so the pain is gone or dropped.
It's on the nerve that caused that pain. And now it's gone.
Gone. So,
It needs to be more on this. Trade.
she want to buy this one. I don't know how much. You know how we get this one?
Yeah, I know. I bring it.
You bring it. Yeah. She
It's a
brought
line.
this one to us. I said, you must buy it from the restaurant, you know. So that's our original beginning. All right, ma'am, how you feel on that? Can you physical? I mean,
I felt a little bit warm at first and tingling. I had some wrist pain just from typing too much, and it's gone.
gone also.
When I got here, they were very sore from working, and they actually are fine.
but it's only 1 minute. So if we are on the future, we are sitting there 1 hour, see what happens. But your pain still good right now.
Yeah, the pain's gone. I'm still better.
Alright, so this morning we did the free is a double observation effect. So see what is going on. So alright, we have one guy, he don't know what we are doing. Terry, can you sit here?
Yes.
Because there's a double blind studying. Yeah. Can you get in the yeah.
On there, Terry.
No, under the bunk is okay.
Yeah, put it underneath his chair.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah,
All
that's
right.
good. You go ahead.
What? 1 minute. All right. Are you ready, sir?
Okay.
Okay. We try to send you to the moon. Then
Okay.
it's the Gravitphoton starting. So 1 minute. All right.
This one is good.
Also, you feel on the left side good already.
But what's been good for almost a week?
Mm-hmm.
It seems I like this one. This one.
All right, 1 more minute. How you feel, sir? Because you just walking in, you don't know what it is.
You know, because I'm always believing, I feel like I'm there. And that screen behind you is the visual journey that I took to get there.
So you want me to send you to the balance or whatever.
I was
How you feel on the physical? You have the colon, liver, lung cancer. Well, physical, how you feel right now? When before you walking in?
I'm being genuine when I say this. I had, little pains from just getting back into the game, and those are gone.
So
I've
your
been
pain
feeling
is
them.
gone also.
Yes.
Wow, there's more fat than
I'm
the
just
thyroid.
not, I didn't know what to say.
From now.
From now.
From now, since
Yeah,
you sat
just
down?
from sitting down for a minute. I had things going on that I'm feeling that I'm just moving past, and they are gone.
All right, so,
Keep stopping.
because you didn't pay.
I did. I did.
Go the move.
Shut
And
it
then
off.
it shuts off.
She don't want you to use it. She shut it off. You know? I don't know.
Turn it.
All right, so that is our new study, but our class is continuous. So can you move to the next, the machine?
This one?
Yeah, because in fact, this is, yeah, put it on the floor. So can you put yours on the floor? Because that is on. Because that is when they're on, they still is the machine. They call it Gravitphoton. So how the Gravitphoton functioning in your body. So that is if you understand the neutron star and the black hole. So that is the theory. So but we want to do more and more that kind of studying. So maybe more people can benefit on it. So we don't know, but this is a study. So that is the observation effect. So the observation effect made it again measure more on the entanglement observation effect. So
Well, you didn't ask me, but I got so hot and sweating.
no, you are not come.
I know.
You are not come either. You know, because you are in here, you just say, oh, you know, I do you a favor, say you are a good boy. No, we want the real stuff, you know. So, how you feel now, Terry?
Like I feel like I was wearing those, without wearing them.
Mm.
Usually put them on for, that's how I feel.
All right, one more time. How you feel now, D?
Yeah.
This is for the sarcoma, all the bone.
I feel really relaxed. And I have the tumors underneath. So hopefully this will take them away.
But you feel the softer, or you can touch, see what happens. Because we try, maybe the neutron star tumor, like a neutron star, is on a high density. So this technique is soft up,
One is a little softer than the other.
softer already. So we want to completely. How you feel now, Christina?
There's no-
Physical, I mean, not psychological.
Can't tell yet. I felt it on my head when you pulled that out.
Okay.
I felt the
Physically,
in my head.
yes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, how you feel on them?
When I came here, I almost didn't come because my stomach was so upset.
Mm.
And very, very, very tired, but not anymore, and my stomach feels good.
Stomach feel good. So you're the spleen enlarged and some kind of blood disease. All right, one more time. How you feel now? The machine is work.
I feel great.
Physical.
I also forgot I had a little bit of foot pain, and that is gone as well.
Also,
And I just went to move, and I was like, oh, that didn't hurt my feet.
so you can get a job here for the toe pain. No?
Drop the tissue.
All right, Paul. How you feel now, sir?
Sure.
There's nothing on
Just warm.
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 All right. Because you're the prospect, so
too.
not ready. All right. Our study is done.